In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your video in 1980s vibe in CapCut. If you love the nostalgic look of classic tapes and film from that era, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to recreate it with CapCut's built-in tools, without complicated color grading or extra plugins. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Make sure you're in the video editor and that your canvas is set to the aspect ratio you want, like 16:9 for widescreen. Keeping your timeline clean from the start makes the process smoother, especially if you're working with multiple clips. Bring your video into the project by adding your clip to the timeline. You can drag and drop it on desktop or tap to import on mobile. Once it's on the timeline, feel free to trim the beginning or end so you can test the look on the section that matters most. If your footage has different lighting conditions, you can still apply the same style across everything and adjust intensity later. Now, locate the Filters option in the toolbar. Filters are a fast way to shift the mood of your footage by applying a preset blend of color, contrast, and texture. Click into Filters to open the library and preview how each choice changes your scene. Don't worry about committing yet. You can hover or tap to audition the effect before applying it. Inside the Filters library, find the category labeled Retro. This section is designed to emulate older film stock and analog video characteristics like subtle grain, lower saturation, and warmer tones. Opening Retro narrows things down to looks that are perfect for a vintage aesthetic without requiring manual tweaks. Within Retro, choose the option labeled 1980s. The moment you apply it, you'll notice a shift toward that classic look. Slightly softened contrast, warmer mids, and a gentle lived-in feel that echoes the era. Use the intensity slider to dial the effect to taste. Lower values keep it more modern and subtle, while higher values push the vibe strongly into retro territory. If you're working with multiple clips, you can apply the same filter and intensity across the timeline for a consistent look. You can also adjust the filter's duration on a single clip to fade in or out if you want the aesthetic to appear gradually. Play back your video and make small adjustments until it feels right. That's all you need to capture the 1980s vibe in CapCut. Apply, fine-tune, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your retro-styled edit.